There's a queue in the Ummah. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Sahaba, Tabi'in, Imam Mujtahidin, Salaf Salihin, we are 1400 years down the line. There is a fashion now. Brother, we got to follow Rasulullah, so jump in front of the queue. In front of we got to follow Rasulullah, not Abu Bakr and Umar. There's a guy in Birmingham as well. He's caught this fever from the Shias. He says, I know things about Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. They don't allow me to follow him blindly. Well, Rasulullah prayed 8, Umar prayed 20, Rasulullah prayed 8. So we got to follow the sunnah of Rasulullah. Dr. Zakir Naik says as well, you can pray 20, but sunnah is 8. So who told Dr. Zakir Naik sunnah is 8? Didn't Umar radiallahu anhu know that sunnah is 8 as well? Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha, who reported the hadith, didn't she have the courage to tell Umar radiallahu anhu, Umar, how dare you make people pray 20 when sunnah is only 8? So what, brother, we got to follow Rasulullah, not Umar. Umar is not our Nabi. But Umar is not our Nabi, but he learned from who? The Prophet said. So if he doesn't know what is Sunnah, who told you what is Sunnah? Brother, it's in Bukhari. What did Imam Bukhari see Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Well, he didn't see him either. So well, then if he didn't see him either, who actually did Rasulullah when he prayed those Tarawih, those nights? Who did he pray in front of? Imam Bukhari, Ibn Baz, Albani, anybody else? Who did he pray with? Among some of us, Umar was there in the front saf, praying with Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So when you try and jump in front of the queue, in front of Umar radiallahu anhu and others, Abu Bakr, as Ali, Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, what's Allah gonna say? If you go to say anybody and you try and jump the queue, Allah's gonna say, get to the back. How dare you try and step in front of Abu Bakr and Umar radiallahu anhu and others?